Think a membrane switch is just a printed graphic overlay? In reality, every press, tactile feel, and response comes from a complete precision manufacturing system. A high-quality membrane switch needs more than a great appearance. It must deliver reliable touch performance, stable electrical contact, and long-term durability. It all starts with design. Engineers evaluate the application environment, tactile requirements, and installation conditions, then transform those requirements into a manufacturable solution. Next comes circuit printing, precision lamination, and die cutting, ensuring every key press feels consistent and reliable. Finally, life cycle testing, electrical verification, and visual inspection confirm stable performance over time. At JRPanel, we focus on consistent quality, fast delivery, cost-effective manufacturing, and responsive support. Because a great membrane switch is never just a component, it's part of the user experience.